This time, we introduce to you different commands with hand signal.
Yeah, just stay. Stay. Good dog, good. Stay. Alright, that's it. Dog, stay. Dog, good, right? Stay. Chelsea. Sit. Stay. Good dog. Good here. Right, that's it. Dog, good. Right. Stay. Chelsea. Down. Oh, stay. That's it. Circle the dog. Good, good.
Circling the dog
Right.
without
Dog, good. Okay.
leash.
Stay. Chelsea. Good. Stay.
Struggling the dog
Stay. Good.
without leash.
Alright, good dog. Good. Stay. Chelsea.
This time, sip over the dog.
Right. Dog. Good. Right. Chelsea. Stay. Good dog. Good girl. Stay. Right. Good dog. Good girl. Stay. Chelsea. Up. Stay. Alright. That's good. Stay. Good dog. Good girl.